Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Faris Ahmad Rizky SCC, and this is I'm sorry because I did not wear my alma mater jacket because I left my jacket at the boarding house, at my boarding house. So this is my story. In January, my friends and I planned a trip to Jogja. We had a discussion to determine the departure date, and we finally agreed to leave on January 12, 2005. 20 20 20 and 2025 in the early morning. On the day of departure, around the 9 p.m., Ryan informed us in the group chat to gather at his house first. However, some of us could only head there later at night. Eventually, at 11 p.m., our friend Noel arrived at Rayhan's place. While waiting for the others, Noel had some penyetan at Rayhan's food stall. By 1 a.m., we were all gathered. Then Rayhan served penyetan for all of us, saying that we should eat before departing. At 2 a.m., we were ready to head to Jogja. We finally departed using Rayhan's car with him as a driver. Sofyan sat in the front seat, Obed and Noel were in the middle, while Bagus and I sat in the back. Throughout the journey, we sang along to music and even listened to a horror podcast for the vibes. As dawn approached, we stopped by an Indomart for a restroom break. I also booked a face wash to freshen up later. At 6 a.m., we finally arrived at Krakow Beach in Jogja. The morning breeze mixed up with the sea air made me feel excited. There, we took group photos and captured some beautiful beach scenery. I also asked someone. I also asked my friends to take picture of me. And after 8 a.m., we decided to continue our trip to Kopi Klotok for breakfast. Sofyan took over the driving while most of us fell asleep to the exhaustions. After about half an hour, we arrived at Kopi Klotok. Once there, we lined up to get food served buffet style. There were various dishes such as lodeh, lodeh tempe lombok ijo, lodeh terong, lodeh kluwih, telur dadar, and sayur asem. There were also snacks like fried bananas. For drinks, plenty of iced tea was provided in the beverage section, and we could take as much as we need. After filling up at Kopi Klotok, we continue our journey to Tembok Gelato to try the ice cream. There we were allowed to sample sample different flavors. I chose a small cup with 2 different flavors. I decided on the Nutella and Ovaltine because I love chocolate very much. I thought they were a great choice. We enjoying our ice cream while chatting without realizing it. It was already 2 p.m., so we continued our trip back to Semarang. However, before heading home, we took a round at UGM, Malioboro, and Tugu Jogja. After that, we finally departed for Semarang at 4 p.m. Rehan and Sofyan taking turns driving, and I fell asleep during the journey due to exhaustion. At at and at 9 p.m., we safely arrived in Semarang, and Rehan dropped us off one by one. Once I reached my dorm, I freshened up and went straight to bed to rest. Okay, that's a story from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.